Welcome to our comprehensive guide on understanding the gold market, particularly for investors here in Perth. Let's dive into the key factors that influence gold prices, including economic indicators and significant global events. Gold plays a crucial role in a diversified investment portfolio, offering both benefits and risks worth considering. Investors can choose between physical gold and ETFs. Let's explore the differences. Understanding the local market is essential. Perth's gold mining industry significantly impacts gold prices. Analyzing gold market trends requires the right tools. Here are some resources for aspiring investors. When to buy and sell gold can define your investment strategy. Let's discuss effective approaches. Avoiding common mistakes in gold investing can save you from significant losses. Here's what to watch out for. Understanding the regulatory landscape is vital for gold investors in Australia. Here's what you need to know. Embracing gold as a strategic investment can yield long-term benefits. Thank you for joining us on this journey.